So, being a very established player in the industry, how are you looking at sustainability in this particular sector?
Yeah. But sustainability is not just a hurdle to us. It is not a regulatory hurdle. Sustainability is our part and parcel of our processes. So we are now, you can know the state of art furnaces we are putting at Kalinganagar project. So where we are using the renewable power to run the furnaces. And also that is a closed furnace where we are tapping the half gases of the furnaces and we are using it for the power generation. And also, you are happy to inform you that one of our location is a water positive, where we pump more water to the ground than what we extract from the ground. So this is a part and parcel of our processes.
Right. Okay. So how it is benefiting you, because there is something called ESG, right? I mean, will it help you in improving your ESG score? So that when you go out for raising funds or for various other things, it will benefit you.
So less on funds, more on our improvement in the process efficiency.
Right.
So where ESG norms are concerned, so our score is already recognized by the third party, and EcoVadis is already recognized our practices. So we are more into the bottom line improvement by using the ESG. And also emission control and optimization control by using the ESG norms.
Right.
So the practices what we are doing is giving us to improve the score of ESG and presence in the market. Right. So the best practices in the sustainability that we are doing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you.